we said we have to come together. The boat, the ship, isang bangka. We all have to sail together.
Welcome everyone to our AXA 2023 BankAssure Sales Assembly!
Alright, and this one, of course. Good morning, PS Bank and e-commerce sales!
I want everybody to look around you. Look to the person to your left, to the person to your right. Look behind. Look at the other side of the room. Look at your sales managers, your sales directors, and of course, your distribution leaders. Look at them because these are the strong and resilient people who will be with you and who will change with you.
Insurance, guys, is a key component. In fact, a lot of you here are young, and like me, I started investing in insurance at a young age. And it's a good choice, a good move. Why? Because when you're young, your premiums are still lower. The older you get, the more expensive it is. So, investing in insurance is also a good investment.
Dugong Muthaw! Dugong Aksang! Telling yourself you can do it. It is really about organizing your thoughts and making sure you are focused on your goals. And what are the two goals? New business and collection.
Pakitapik po yung ulo ng katabi, sabihin, chine-check ko lang kung nandyan.
Level 8! Mabilis! Mabilis! Mabilis po ang lakad natin. Level 10! Level 10! Level 10! Level 10! Level 10! Level 10! Level 10!
Alam na natin that a medical emergency or an illness is already an unexpected event at alam na natin na mahal magkasakit. Pero what makes it even worse is that knowing that it will be even more expensive in the future. No, this is why we believe that having a health protection plan should be part of any investment portfolio.
We have to do things the right way, the right thing to do. And most of the time, it doesn't come easy. Where we are today, dito sa atin ngayon, hindi madali. But again, no shortcuts here in AXA. We know that the values of integrity the values of the best that we can offer to the customers. The courage to speak up. If things are not doing right, then of course, I want you to take responsible to be the first person. If there is someone who is not doing right to a customer, who doesn't respect, an individual who stands here, speak up. Take the courage because you are all in a safe environment. Again, isa tayong bangka. Come and do the right things because we believe that we have all the core values. Right? Customer first, courage, integrity, and one AXA. Again, I'm just so happy that we're all here together. And of course, we conclude here, sa kabila ng mga hinarap na pagsubok, lahat tayo dito ay sama-sama sa isang bangka, iisang bangka. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.
It's good to be together, that's for sure. This is obviously a big excitement investment on the company to have you all here coming from abroad. I hope you have mingled between each other, have a lot of fun, pay attention, get out of the phones. Thank you very much for the day. I hope we learn a lot of things together. I appreciate very much your invitation here. I'm very happy to be here.
Proud to be AXA!